So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is an absolutely beautiful evening here in Pennsylvania. When I first got home from work a little bit ago, it was kind of overcast, but now the skies are clear, nice and calm, a really beautiful evening. But things are getting a little out of control around here. I have kind of messes everywhere I'm trying to get cleaned up this evening. I've got firewood poles to move down here to the yard. I had some slabs I had to get cleaned up. I have lumber to stack, and I have a huge hole back here behind me to backfill. So this is that big borrow pit that I dug, and I hauled a bunch of good shale from here up to the new building up there. Well, now I need to get this backfilled. I think what I'm going to do is come in from that side over there, and I'll just high wall that bank off. I don't want to lay it back any because I'll get into the tree roots up there. This had extended over into here, but I already have this backfilled, and I put a bunch in there already. It's not the best material. I'm sure it's going to sink a little bit down the road, but I'll compact it as best I can, and I'm going to top it off with this real coarse material right here, which will actually almost kind of help bridge it off a little bit. I have a couple real nice loads of logs coming in the next couple days, or maybe the first of next week. You know, firewood poles and saw logs, and I want to stack them all right there. So years ago, this was all woods down here. Actually some pretty decent oak trees, and I cleared it all. And I moved all this dirt down here with a skid loader to level up like a work area here. But I moved a lot of dirt. It was a lot of evenings and weekends to get all this done. See, this stuff I'm putting in here right now, there's a lot of clay mixed in with it. It's not the best, but I'll mix it and get it, you know, compacted as best as I can. It'll sink some though over time, but like I said, I'm just going to be stacking logs here, and it'll hold that for sure. It's not like I'm going to be building anything here. I like to mix the wet stuff with the dry stuff. Now right over here, there's a real hard seam down about 3 feet. Watch. Right there. You can hear it hit. So I'll pull them big chunks out of there. I'm going to pull some in front of my blade so I can get over that way more. That's pretty hard right there. Tell you what, over here on this side, it's hard, real hard. I don't know if you saw there a little bit ago, I was pulling out like 6-7 foot chunks. They were breaking up once you get them out of there. Problem is, the way I'm doing it here is you're digging straight down on top of them. If you get under it, you can peel them right up, but coming down on top, it's kind of hard. Pick them out. If you can just get a corner, you can slide them right out of there. If you try coming right down on top of it, not so good. Melissa and the dogs came down.
All right, we came down to tell Mike that dinner's ready, and it's one of his favorites, meatloaf. I have to hold on to Archie. The other two are fine, but I know we would be trying to pull Archie out of the big hole Mike's filling up.
It's coming along though. Almost got it.
Yeah.
I'm saving this stuff here to put on top of it, and it'll track in real good.
Yeah. You did good. Ah.
Archie's not too sure of the machine.
No, he wasn't. You had put the bucket down like to tamper or something, and that made a noise and jolted, and yeah, he instantly looked back at me and came back. For some reason, these dogs just are chewing these weeds to chew it. I know some dogs will chew it because they have a bellyache. They don't have a bellyache. They're just chewing it just because.
It's in front of them.
Yes, just, yeah, it's fun.
So we have some, we can't share it tonight, Sunday we'll have...
Yeah, we have some big news to share. I've tried to convince Mike to let me share it in one of my videos, but...
It'll be Sunday morning, 8 a.m.
Come
They're
here.
going to see this video on Wednesday.
Okay.
So on Sunday morning, we have some pretty big news.
Oh, I see, yeah. So, yeah.
Some will think I'm crazy.
Well, I think you're crazy in general.
Well, I think I'm going to finish this up or get close, and then I'll be up to eat dinner.
Yeah, I think you're crazy because meatloaf's your favorite food.
I know, but I'm down here and it's almost done.
All right. All right, we're gonna head up to the house. Don't forget to go check out Morgan's Off the Leash. That's my YouTube channel. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the last couple videos. Check them out.
All right, we're getting there, and it's actually tightening up pretty nice. What I was doing is putting like the big chunks in, then some fines, and just keep working it back and forth. Try to fill in all those voids and track it in a little bit. You can see this maple tree right here. I don't want to lose that. That's a nice tree right there. I'm already pretty close to the roots, but they're pretty resilient. I may move over this direction here on the other side of it, get some more there. Track it all in, and then I'll top it with this here, and then probably put a little bit of limestone on top of it, and it should be good. It'll be good enough to store some logs on. Alright, I took a little break, ran up to the house, had some dinner, and came back down and got it pretty well finished up here before dark. It actually tightened up a lot better than I thought it would. Feels good and hard. but I'm sure it'll still sink just a little. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate y'all being here. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.